If Monday is first day of month, 30th day will be Saturday. Quarter of 120 is 30. In a class of 500, 340 are boys. Find percentage of boys. Answer is 68%. If 1 dozen pencils are of Rs60, amount of 5 pencils will be 25. Train covers 120 km in 1 hour. How much distance it will cover in 12 minutes? Answer is 24 km. After arranging the word, अगर इसको अरेंज करें तो ये पेरिस बनता है. इट इज़ नेम ऑफ अ कंट्री, सिटी, ओशन एंड स्टेट. आंसर इज सिटी. डॉग इज टू बिच एज हॉर्स इज टू मेयर. इफ मंडे इज द 4th day of month, 18th day will be Monday. Why people read newspaper? Answer is to get knowledge. Why people use car? Answer is to travel. ये MCQ नंबर 69 और 70 में आपने अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑप्शंस जो सबसे ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट लगता है उसको जो है वो टिक करना होता है, लेकिन इसमें जो जनरल आंसर्स हैं कि जो हो सकते हैं वो वाले लिखे गए हैं. If second day of month is Friday, then 14th day will be Wednesday. Last letter of beauty after arranging it will be Y. What will be the third letter in word management when it is alphabetically arranged? A person purchased a book for Rs 500 and sold it for Rs 700. Calculate the profit percent. Answer is 40%. 1/10 of 90 is 9. 1/10 of 120 is 12. If yesterday was Monday, then day after tomorrow will be Thursday. If a helicopter needs 50 gallons to move 320 km, then how much gallons helicopter need to move 400 km? Amjad and Ahmed kept 24 balls. Amjad kept 3 times more than Ahmed. How much Ahmed kept? Answer is 6. Boy is 3 years old. His sister is 3 times older than him. What will be age of his sister when boy will be 11 years old? Answer is 17. 20% of 1/10 of 90 is 1.8. Sister of my brother's son is my niece. A boy has average of 50 in 5 tests. How much should he get in next test to have average of 70? If my age is 10 years and brother is 2 times of my age, what will be our ratio after 10 years? If third day of month is Friday, then 23rd day will be Thursday. Ali is 5 years old. His sister is 3 times older than him. What will be the age of his sister when Ali will be 10 years old? Answer is 20. If 4th day of month is Tuesday, then 12th day will be Wednesday. Salim has average of 60 in 4 subjects. Salim's average drops to 58 after attempting next test. Find the grade. 10 men dig a well in 5 days. How many days they will take if men are 5? Answer is 20. Salman is 4 years old. Ali's age is twice of Salman. When Salman is 12 years old, what will be the age of Ali? Answer 16. Akbar is older than Ahmed. Umair is older than Akbar. Which is elder? Answer is Umair. Adil is 5 years old and his sister is 3 times of his age. What will be the age of his sister when Adil will be 15 years old? Answer is 25. 80% of 80 is 64. 90% of 70 is 63. Write the words formed from following numbers 18, 5, 19, 20. Answer is rest. ये जो हैं अल्फ़ाबेट्स हैं इंग्लिश के, उनके नंबरिंग को जो है वो किया गया है और उससे ये वर्ड्स जो हैं वो बने हैं। ये वर्ड बना है उन लेटर्स को इकट्ठा करके। सिस्टर ऑफ माई ब्रदर इज़ योर मदर। व्हाट इज़ रिलेशन बिटवीन यू एंड मी? आंसर इज़ नेफ्यू और नीस। Adnan walked 10 meters toward north, then towards south. After this, he turns back and then moves towards left. What is his present direction? Answer is west. Train covers 20 kilometers in 1 hour. Then how much distance it covers in 1 minute? Answer is 0.3 km. 60% of 9 is 5.4. 80% of 10 is 8. Rearrange the word beauty and the last word will be leopard. Arrange the word. 102 MCQs में जो वर्ड है वो leopard है और इसको जब अरेंज करेंगे तो ये जो लेटर्स लिखे गए हैं जम्बल्ड लेटर्स, इनका जब अरेंज करेंगे तो ये leopard बनेगा। Light is to window and sound is to bat cannot see and snake cannot hear. If 5 men write 5 papers in 5 minutes, then how many pages will 1 man write in 5 minutes? A train travels at speed of 90 km per hour. How many km will it cover in 12 minutes? 2 plus 2 by 2 is equal to what? Opposite of wild, a helicopter use 80 gallons to cover 320 km. How many gallons will require to cover 700 km? Out of 30 people, 2 by 3 are male, percent of female. A book is purchased in Rs 30, is sold in 40, percentage of profit. One third of 1/10 of 90, quarter of 1/10 of 120, 22 minus 5 is equal to. A train covers 20 km in 1 hour and 40 minutes. How many time it will take to cover 1 km? If 19th day of month is Saturday, what will be on 3rd day? Ali is 4 years old and his sister is thrice of him. What will be the age of his sister when Ali is 12 years old? आगे सीरीज़ दिए गए हैं 118 और 119 में, आप देख सकते हैं। 120 MCQ है। हाउ मैनी डेज ऑफ मंथ हैविंग 31 डेज? 28 MCQ। हाउ मैनी डेज ऑफ मंथ हैविंग 31 डे? एंड द लास्ट वन इज एक्चुअली दिस वन इज लास्ट। विच लेटर कम्स आफ्टर जी? सो ये थे आज के MCQs और ये ISSB मटेरियल की तरफ से कंपाइल किए गए थे और ये मोस्ट रिपीटेड MCQs थे। सो इनको जो है वो रट्टा मार लें, जहन नशीन कर लें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।